Where can you find the leading bakery product packaging solutions? Follow my footsteps at the 25th Bakery China exhibition. We are currently at Fashion Soontrue's booth, Hall 3.1, Stand 3B81. Whether it's mooncakes, toast bread, or biscuit packaging machine, we have it all here. You can explore various packaging solutions for baking products without leaving the booth. As the first day of the exhibition, we have something special for you. It covers primary packaging, secondary packaging, cartoning, case packing, and palletizing solutions. Now, let me show you around. The complete production line solution enables intelligent and diversified product packaging. For primary packaging, we have SC180 flow packaging machine with a speed range of 3,500 packs per minute. For secondary packaging, we offer TD200 bagging machine with a speed range of 1040 packs per minute. SW60 box motion flow packaging machine operates at a speed of 3,100 packs per minute. ZH200 cartoning machine runs at a speed of 1070 boxes per minute. The combination of these two devices forms a comprehensive packaging solution for baking products. With servo control technology and easy operation, product formula can be changed with a single click. At the back end, we have KXM500 robotic case erector, RCP1300B robotic case packer, and robotic case palletizer available. Effortlessly achieve intelligent one-stop packaging, case packing, and palletizing solutions for mooncakes, bread, biscuits, candies, and various product sizes. Realize the vision of an intelligent and unmanned factory.
Soontrue has rich experience and great ability in machinery manufacturing. Advanced factory ensures high product quality and short lead time. Strong team make our deliveries always exceed customer satisfaction.